Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class. Today I am going to start Beatles textbook, semester 2 textbook. See, children, we finished semester 1 now. Today I am going to start semester 2. So, take your semester 2 textbook, open page number 66. Page number 66. Understood, children? Want to take out the semester 2 textbook. We finished semester 1. Now see a semester 2. Your semester 2 is there now? That textbook you want to take. Page number 66. Multiplication. Concept is multiplication. Multiplication. See, children, for addition we will use plus sign. Subtraction we will use minus sign. For multiplication you will use into. This sign we will use into sign. Multiplication is repeated addition. See, when you are writing this note, when you are writing note, that you want to write in the rough note. Don't write in the textbook. Take rough note, children. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated and addition. Now, listen properly. Ankit wants to give 2 chocolates to each 5 of his friends. How many chocolates does Ankit need? See, children, Ankit have 5 friends. You want to give 2 chocolates to each friend. So, how many chocolates does Ankit need? See, multiplication is repeated addition means when we have the same number again and again, the process is called repeated addition. The number will add, no children, same number, that is repeated addition. So children, we have 10 chocolates, but Ankit have 5 friends. You want to give 2 chocolates for each. See, here 2 is there, no? 2, this one 2, this 2, see. Now count. See, repeated addition means we will have same number. When we add the same number, no children, again and again, the process is called repeated addition. This is the same number. Now we want to add, no, the process is repeated addition. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 chocolates. How many chocolates? 10. This you want to write in the rough note, children. To know this, Ankit added 2 5 times. Ankit added 2 chocolates 5 times. See, here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2 chocolates. He had 5 times. We'll get 10. So we adding the number 2 5 times. We'll get the 10 chocolates. Multiplication means same. Multiplication means you'll add into sign. This multiplication is repeated addition means the number we had again and again, the process is called the repeated addition. See this number, again we will add, no children, that become repeated addition. Now next main, a teacher wants to distribute 3 pencils each to 4 of her students. How many pencils does she need? Now we will draw the pencils. We finished chocolates, no children. Ankit, he gave two chocolates to her friends. Each child got two chocolates, totally 10 chocolates. Now students. Now next one, pencils will draw. See, a teacher wants to distribute 3 pencils each to 4 of her students. The teacher wants to distribute See, the teacher wants to distribute 4 students. Each student, she wants to give 3 pencils. So, here we give 3, here 3, this 3, here 3. If we count total, we will get 9, 10, 11, 12 only. If we had like this, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. The teacher wants 12 pencils to give 4 students to 3 pencils. Now see, this number will add now again and again. This process is called the repeated addition. Understood, children? Once again, I am saying we will add again and again same number. Same number will add no. That process will call the repeated addition. Here the sign into indicates multiplication. This sign indicates multiplication into. This sign, if you see this sign, what we will do? Multiplication. Understood, children? First main over. Now use the multiplication sign to represent the following. See, once like that, if we add like that, so 12. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many for 3s we use? 4. Which number? 4 3s are 12. For chocolates also, how many chocolates there? How many 2s we use, children? 5 times we use 2 no, 5 2s are 10. If you do multiplication also, we'll get 10. If we had also, we'll get 10 chocolates. Like that only. Your pencils also, 4 times 3 number, we use no 4 3s are 12. If we do multiplication also 12. If we had also, we'll get 12. Understood? Now, next main. This means and you are write in the rough note. Don't write in the textbook, children. You first understood. After you write in the textbook. Now use the multiplication sign to represent the following. See, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or how many 3 4s are there? Here 3 into 4. So now we want to draw the intersection points. See, standing line will be 1 2 3 4. Number, see the number, middle number, children, 4. Which number we used? 4. Standing line will be 4. Here 3 is there, sleeping line. This is the sleeping line, children. Now we will count. This is intersection point. See, you write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood, children? 4, 3 times we used. If we 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. If we add also, we will get 12. If you do multiplication, see. 3 sleeping lines is there no, children? 1, 2, 3. 4 standing line. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we count this intersection dots, you will get 12. 3, 4 the 12. Understood? Now next page number 67. 67. Page number 67. This one you write in the rough note, children. Next one. See how many fives are there? 5 times there. 5, 5, 5, 5. See how many fives are there, children? 5 times they are used 5. Here are is equal to. You want to write this box. So how many fives here? So which number is there? 5. See in this you want to write. Draw the 5 sleeping lines. 5 standing lines. Intersection dots is there. If we count like this, you get answer. Now write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. See, if we add also 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. If we draw like this also, you will get here 25. See here, how many fives we used? See, which number we used? 5. How many times we used? 5. 5 fives are 25. In textbook like this, no children, you write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Now take textbook and write this. Next one, 8. Second one, 8 plus 8 plus 8. Or see how many 8s is there? 3. Which number? 8. Now you want to draw the standing line 8. See, this number standing line you want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. See, how many times you want to write the sleeping line? 3. 1, 2, 3. Here intersection dot will be there. Now start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. See, 3 times we use no children. 8 plus 8. See, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 3 times we used 8, no children. 3 into 8, 24. If we add also, we will get 24. If we do multiplication also, we will get 24. Now next main. Now 11 plus 11 plus 11. How many 11s are there, children? 3 11s are there. 3 into which number is there? 11. So you want to find now. See 11 standing lines. How many standing lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sleeping line 3. 1, 2, 3. Now start writing the number. Intersection dots all will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sorry, children, you want to write here 11 also. 11. Twelve, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Is that properly, children? 11 plus 11, 22. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 11, 33. So, answer is 33. Here, 3 11s are 33. Understood, I think, children? Now, we will go to how many bottles are there in the shelf. See, how many bottles are there? First, we'll draw the bottles, children. Now see the first shelf. First shelf, how many bottles are there? 4. Second shelf, 4. 4. Third shelf, 4. Fourth shelf, 4. Dash bottles. Now are dash times. How many times are there? 4. Dash bottles are dash into dash equals to dash bottles. Now see, children, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Now if we count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If we add, we will get 16 bottles. Now see how many 4 we used? 4 times. Which number we used? 4. So 4 times 4 equals to 16 bottles. 4 times here. This is 4 times. If you add this, we will get 16 bottles. Now if we do multiplication, see how many 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number we are multiplied? 4 4s are 16 bottles. See, if we add also, we will get 16 bottles. If we do multiplication also, you will get 16 bottles. If 4 times, see, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, we add 4 times 4, 4 times 4, we had 16 bottles. Now, how many apples are there? How many apples are there? See the apples, children. In one plate, 3 apples are there. See, in one plate, how many apples are there, children? 3. In second plate, how many apples? 3. In third plate, 3. How many apples? 3. Now, dash apples or dash times. How many times we used? Which number? How many times we used? Dash is equal to dash apples. Or which number? See, children, now we will add first. Here 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So if we add also 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Add 15 apples. See how many times we had 3? 5 times. Which number we had, children? 3. 3 we had, no? How many times we had? 5 times. Which number we had? 3 times. 3 number we had. So 5 times 3 equal to 15 apples. 5 times. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we had 3 apples. We will get 15 apples. Now the multiplication will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5s? How many 3s are there? 5. Which number? 5 3s are 15 apples. 5 3s are 15. If we add also, we'll get 15. If we do multiplication also, we'll get 15. Now page number 68. Page number 68. Now, yes, listen children. Now, first one, page number 68. 7 plus 7 plus 7 are box into box equal to dash. Now, 7 stand in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many sevens are there, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 slipping lines. 1, 2, 3. Now start writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, how much, children? 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 14 plus 1, so which number we add here? 7. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times. 7 3s are 21. Like that you want to do, children, easy. Only. Second one. How many 6 are there? 6. First you want to draw the standing line. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now sleeping line 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now start writing numbers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. How many 6 are there, children? 6 times 6. 1, 6. 6 times are there. Six are dash into box into dash. Now 6 plus 6, 12. See here, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. If we add here, we'll get 36. Now see how many 6 are there? 6 6. Which number is there? 6. 6 6 are 36. If we do multiplication also, we will get 36. Understood, children? This week we finished multiplication is repeated addition. Next class, I will give multiplication on number line. But now take homework, I will give, children. Take homework note. Now start writing. Take homework note. Homework note is there, no, children? In this, take fresh page, maths homework. Write the tables. (11) and 12 one time. Want to write the tables? Sorry, children, 2 times you want to write. Take fresh page, children. Fresh page you want to write. See, like this, no, note. In this note, like this, you want to write. Here, write after red line, you want to write 11 ones are 2 times. Here also write 11 ones are 11. Here 12 ones are 12. Here also write 12 ones are 12. See children, in one page only you want to finish this homework. Don't go to next page for 11 and 12. In 11, one page only write 11 two times, 12 two times. Understood children? Thank you children.